You're likely going to notice fewer trees along parts of the Welland Canal. That's because of a new project being led by the St. Lawrence Seaway to remove trees and shrubs to prevent long-term structural damage. Simone Gavros joins us from one of the sites along the Welland Canal in St. Catharines with the details. Simone.
Rick, the Seaway says that the reason for this is for stability and safety reasons to prevent overgrown roots and possible erosion along the Welland Canal here. Now you can see just some of the work that's already been completed behind me. They've made this path that's already been cleared through, and then all the way down there's a pile of wood that sits closer to where the museum is. Now this is one of 3 locations here in St. Catharines along the Welland Canal where this work is being done. The other one is near the Homer Bridge, and then there's another location near Lakeshore Road in Port Weller. The removal was flagged as a necessity back in 2016 and has gone through different processes to get to this point. Now the work is being done in 3 stages according to the project's website, starting with tree clearing between November 10th and December 19th. Then between January 16th and March 6th, the tree stumps and roots are going to be removed. Grass seed and the pollinator garden will be planted throughout April with a completion date aimed for May 1st. The Niagara Peninsula Conservation Authority says they're not involved with this removal project, but the 2 groups collaborated for the first time to plant more trees elsewhere in Niagara. Here's more from Natalie Green, Director of Watershed Strategies and Climate Change with the Conservation Authority.
They provided some funds to help us plant trees within the Niagara Peninsula watershed. We chose 2 different locations. One was at our Gainsborough Conservation Area, and the other one was at Smith Nest Conservation Area. So the first one, Gainsborough, we planted 800 trees in October, and at Smith Nest we planted just over 2,200 trees at Smith Nest Conservation Area in November. We have a goal of planting 80,000 trees within the Niagara Peninsula watershed by 2028 with funding from NRCan. So these 2 tree plantings were very important in helping us achieve those goals. Those are 3,000 trees toward our goal.
Now, in the meantime, parts of the path trail beside the Welland Canal will be closed to pedestrians temporarily between 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. while that removal process is taking place.